your girl Peculiar Beauty in the building. So in this video, I'll be taking you guys my studio tour. If you want to become a photographer, you don't know how you are going to go about it, I believe this video will be very helpful as a upcoming photographer. What you need in your studio. Okay, I will not say this is a small studio because this is actually a big studio for me. Like, this place takes a lot of money. So guys, I'll be showing you guys around my lights and my everything, my background and everything. All you need to know. So you are into this photography business for so long and you don't know how to go about it on your studio, because it's not every photographer that have a studio. No, not everyone that have studio. There are some photographers that are just maybe street photographer. Like, do you understand? So most of photographer, most of them does not have a studio and all that. With me, come. I'm so happy. This video is long overdue. Man, come. Let's take you guys around my big studio. Welcome to my studio tour. When you come to my studio, this is what you are going to be seeing on my studio. Okay, so this is my softbox. This is 120 cm. Okay, it's so big, like my softbox is even taking a lot of space on my studio. Okay, and this is my Godox light. This is what it looks like. Hope you can see. So it's the Godox SL60W. Okay, I got this one from Amazon. Okay, and this one I got it from AliExpress. And yeah, I have some chairs for the baby photo shoot. You know now, babies. So I have reflector. So I'll be showing you guys other video. I got this beautiful chair. Okay, I also, apart from this light, I also have another light, and this one, I got this beautiful light on AliExpress also. This one is so good. Like, this light I'm showing you, they are good. I mean, they are okay. So I got some beautiful flower vase and also another flower vase. So this one is a reflector. It's like a reflector you place on the ground. Okay, so this is what, hope you guys have seen what my background looks like. My background is just here, and this is the space that I am acquiring, like the space that I'm using for the studio. This place, you have my this beautiful flower that I did. I made this beautiful flower. And happy birthday. You need this as a photographer, because when people come to your studio to come and take pictures, what will you be using for them and all that? So I have this 2 years, like number of years and all that. So I have a lot, not only this one. Just that I bought this one recently, and I have this beautiful stuff. So I have this beautiful dummy, like for photo shoot setup and all that. Okay, so these are the baby photos background. These are baby photo background that I bought. They are much, like they are more than 6 that is inside this place. I still have like 5 over there. I've got a lot of backdrop here. So this is a background. This was the one that I bought before I got this what is it called, this carton on. See, the fact is that the carton on is the best. Like, this one is the best. This cloth on, you'll be so tired to iron and all that, so you just don't want to stress yourself. You need to get this one, like I'll show you guys. Basically, that's what is in this place. I have some beautiful frame here, and in this place, everything I normally use to decorate my background studio for babies and all that, they are all here. Balloons. This one is 1 year. Like, I have a lot of stuff in this place. I even got some iron. Maybe there are some background that I need to iron for the babies and all that. So I have a lot of things here. So I have baby cute bicycle, like motor. I got this one from Amazon. It's so beautiful and cute. Beautiful chair. This is what this beautiful chair looks like. I also have a reflector. Okay, this is what the reflector looks like. And I have this this one is for also for photo shoot. You can, this is how you stand it. Somebody can stand on top. Okay, so I have this beautiful basket for design for photo shoots, like for babies. Okay, I also have this one. If you see the manual, this is what it looks like. In the manual is for you to sit down. So I think let me just unbox it now. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, so let me just fix it. It's very easy to couple. Okay, very easy to couple this. So since I bought it, I've not actually used it, so that's why I have not coupled it. Okay, so I'm going to throw these ones away. So if this one is white, the color is white, so anybody can use it. Baby can use it, big person like me can also use it. So in this place, beautiful flowers. This one I bought them from AliExpress, this flower, but this basket I got it for €1 in a second-hand shop. Okay, so I got this beautiful chair from Amazon. This is what the chair looks like. Hope you can see. So I'll be arranging this place after the video. Okay, so this is what the baby chair looks like. Okay, I got this beautiful baby chair from Amazon, and this is a flower vase. I just put this thing inside. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put flower, so I ordered some flowers that I'm going to put inside, and this is what it looks like. And this is a baby ladder for decoration and all that. So I'll be putting what it looks like in the video. Okay, so this is what my background. This is what the background looks like. Like, this is what my studio, this is what you are going, if you come to my studio, this is what you are going to see. For this background, this is the one that I have for now. This is only the background that I have for now, because this thing is so expensive. I got it about €90, 80 something euro, close to €90 on Amazon. It's so expensive. I will not like this. I think 10 each is something and thereabout. So I was the one that demarcated it like this, because I have some properties at the back like this. Do you understand? So I think this place is big enough for a studio. So this is what the rug looks like. I also bought this rug. All this rug that you're seeing, I bought them to close the ground, because you know, here in Italy or here in diaspora, everywhere is so cold and all that. So when you are putting your legs in the ground, it will not be cold and all that when you are doing your photo shoot. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video and leave your opinion or your thoughts. If you want to become a photographer, or you already become a photographer, let me know you think. So why for the lights, I'll still be getting maybe 1 or 2 lights. Okay, this is not, I only have 2 lights, because these lights, they are so expensive. For now, this is the 2 lights that I will be using to still get like 2 lights or 3 lights, because when you are doing studio or doing photographing job, you need a lot of light. Just telling you the fact, you need a lot of light. But guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and do well to subscribe, and I will see you guys all on my next video, and bye.